Hi stylers, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, I am Renee and I share all things home related. So today's video I'll be sharing with you some items here at Quartz, Christmas decoration, home appliances which are great for your gifts and more, and also some small appliances and home decor items. If you're interested, please continue watching. I share shopping videos each week, home decorating, room makeover, so if you love this content, you know what to do.
Ring ring, the Christmas bells ring ring, swinging my shopping bag, singing. Oh, ring ring, the Christmas bells ring ring. I don't know how much I spent on this bling bling, but I don't care what it costs. I'm leaving no name uncrossed. I got a list in my coat pocket stash, 'cause when they open their gifts, their mood will instantly lift, 'cause loved ones mean so much more than my cash. Ring ring, the Christmas bells ring ring, slinging my credit card mingling. Oh, ring ring, the Christmas bells ring ring. I feel a tingling from joy that it's bringing, 'cause I feel cheeriest when I give to family and friends. They've been there year after year, kept me grounded, and surely they would agree if I slip in something for me, because the season of joy has no bounds. Snowflakes are falling and shopping is calling me. You see, the discounts and sales are as big as a whale. I'm gonna need a truck for all this stuff. Ring ring, the Christmas bells ring ring, swinging my shopping bag, singing. Oh, ring ring, the Christmas bells ring ring. I don't know how much I spent on this bling bling. Ring ring, the Christmas bells ring ring, swinging my shopping bag, singing.
Started with one day, thought that that's all it was. Thought it would end up like it usually does. All the things you do make me feel it's confusing. I don't really know what I'm doing. All I know, this ain't nothing. Should we stop or should we rush in? All I know, this ain't nothing. got something. Has it been a week since we met? Is this too fast? I'm afraid of saying I want this to last. One dance was all I thought it was. Thought it would end like it usually does. This ain't nothing, we got something. All I know, all I know. This ain't nothing, we got something. All I know, oh, all I know, all I know, all I know. This ain't nothing. Should we stop or should we rush in? All I know, this ain't nothing. All I know is we've got something.